Chandigarh University, I think, is one of the very fast-growing university, and we have seen the way they have collaborated with all other industries, the way they are forthcoming in bringing the student future further. So we believe this is the right type of environment and partner for us to partnering with this kind of facility, because more than 35,000 students are itself working here. Yes, this is one of the partnership which we were looking for, and we are saying that it is now in Chandigarh. Maybe going forward, they are coming up with the campus in Lucknow. Going forward, maybe we will be starting the same facility in Lucknow as well.